What is going on, everybody? Keybeard in the lock shed. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for watching. Today's video, I'm going to be attempting a challenge lock with my dirty finger still. This one's called Zerø Intuition by Left Hand Loki. This one's got a very fun looking keyway to it. And it's going to be quite interesting. So I'm probably going to pick it from that ledge right there and do a top of the keyway. All right, so left hand Loki, let's see what you got. Enough talking jibber jabbering. Let's pick it open. We'll attempt to pick it open. So let me get this guy situated here. I'm gonna kind of set it in like that, I think. I want to do it like that. Nope, 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 nope. Let's put it in like that. I'm just gonna use my hand. Make sure I'm not bending nothing. Okay, nice and tight. He did not have a key with this one. So I'm pretty sure it's a working challenge lock, and we will find out together. And we'll set it up like that. Okay. I'm going to use top of the keyway, and I'm going to use a 50 thousandths. Yeah. Yeah, nice lovely 50 thousand. Oh, good movement there on the core. And I'm going to use a 15 thousandths DeForest diamond. And this is attempt number 1, so let's see what we got. I got a slight click on 4, a couple clicks on 5. That was a click on 3. Moving down the line again. That was 3. That was 4, and I got a false set. Got something here on 5, false set. Touched 4 and went back to a false set. There we go. Coming back. Got binding on 3. And then back at 4, I think. Here we go. Coming back. Feels like 2 is binding. And feels like I got something still binding when I hit 2. There we go, back down. Go to 1, since I haven't really touched 1 yet. Still loose on 1. Feels like 5. There we go. That was 4, my bad. Okay, what about 1 again? Nothing on 1 yet. That was 2. Okay, it feels like 5. Feels like I dropped a bunch of stuff when I did that. Yep, I think I dropped something, or I am overpicked on something here. I'm going to release Okay, that fell. That was 4. Keep feeling, keep feeling. That 1 doing something. There we go. Feel around. A lot of different movements in here. A lot of crunchiness. Definitely a lot of crunchiness. I actually might switch to a heavier pick. Okay. I keep dropping that bad boy right there. There we go. There we go. Nice, good false sets going on. Okay. I am going to switch to a heavier pick. I'm going to switch to a 25 thousandths. Okay, I just touched something in the back. Okay, touched something in the back again. There we go. Oh. That was a good solid click. All right. That was good. There we go. Nice deep set. And I'm going to tighten up my vise just a hair. I don't think it's you. Let me feel around a little bit. Finding anything. There we go. That was something. No. Nothing on there. That was a touch. Nope. I've almost hit my 10-minute mark. can feel it. I know I can feel it. I'm almost there. There it is. On the dot, on the almost 10-minute mark, guys. Open. Zerø Intuition. All right, let's pick it open, guys. That was a good one. All right, keep it in the shot. Left hand Loki. Excellent, excellent work. All right, I'm going to set it here. I'm going to readjust my mic. Sorry about the background noise. There we go. Okay, I don't have a key, so I cannot lock it back up. So I'm going to have to get that C-clip off of there. Man, I thought I was going to have to go for try number 2 on this one. Here we go. Don't lock it back up now. Where am I at? Okay. Make sure I'm not going to do something stupid here. There we go. There we go. Stay. Oop. Hold on a minute. That C-clip went flying. There she is. Oh. Okay. I am going to toss a shim through it. Just to be safe. I think I can get a shim in there. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, the pins are there, so I'm going right there. And we're awesome. Okay. Set you down and pull that off. There we go. Let me get you out of here too. Oh no, I didn't just do that. Oh no. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's the order they're supposed to be in. So I'm going to carefully put them in the tray in that same order. Can't believe I just did that. So this one is 1. This one that just rolled out is 3. Then 2. And then 4. 5. And 6. There we go. Oh, that was almost a disaster. I'm definitely going to have to get a hold of Left Hand Loki just to make sure I got these in the right order. If I don't get a hold of you, Left Hand Loki, and you're watching this, let me know if this is the right order. Hopefully you remember too. Okay, let's start at the top. Pin 1. Oop. We have a serrated. Looks like on both sides. We'll look at it here in just a minute. Let's get that out. Then I'm going to dump that spring. There we go. Pin 2 here. Ooh, what is this one? This one looks pretty cool. Set him there. Drop that spring. There we go. Go into 3. Dang it. I'm always doing that. There we go. Serrated stuff. And drop that spring. Okay, let's go to the back. We have a very like tapered spool perhaps. Oops, no, nope, not you. You go over here. There we go. Drop that spring. And again with this? I am all butterfingers today, guys. Let's see here. Put him where he belongs. Drop that spring. There we go. There we go. Last but not least, I really gotta like put a door in my my followers so they don't just fall out. There we go. Awesome. All right, we got it all apart. All right, let's take a look at this core real quick. So he's got, looks like all of them are threaded. Nicely done. Very nice. And then let's take a look at that keyway again. Oh, that is a scary. So you kind of had to pick it over there unless you used a super thin pick. But I recommend right there on that ledge. Top of the keyway worked just fine. And let's take a look at this guy. I don't think he did anything different in here. It doesn't look like there's any work on the Bible. That is quite interesting how the maker did this. They drilled it out, you know, that's what they do is to make those chambers, they go straight through and drill those chambers. But this one actually put a little brass plate there to guard those holes. Quite neat. But there it is. Let's take a zoom in. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. So it looks like we got all standards except for 3 right there. Let me grab 3. That is a nicely made, looks like you got like a serrated action and then a thinned out bottom of the keyway, bottom of the key pin. Nicely done, very clean. Then over here we have like a double spool action. And then we get some more interesting stuff like this guy right here. Very cool. Oh, I didn't even notice that. It's hollow on the ends. It's kind of hollowed out. Nice point. Nice sharp edges there. A little taper on it. That one give you that. That's probably what gives me the crunchiness right there. Oops. While I was picking it, I did get a lot of crunchy. Nice serrated. We got here a serrated all the way up. That's nice. Nicely well done. This one will also give that crunchiness inside that core. And we also have another double spool. And looks like pin 6 is just a nice deep spool. Well done, left hand Loki. Very nice challenge lock. Very well made. I'm going to get a hold of you. I want to make sure these pins are in the same order as they are right now, as that's how they're supposed to go in before I put it all back together. If you see this video before I get a hold of you, let me know. Find me on Discord, buddy. All right, guys, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you all like and subscribe. There we go. My little guy needs some more friends. He needs 250 friends. That's what his goal is right now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy my channel, and happy picking.